All right, here it is. Years of waiting for this moment. Let's see what's inside. Severe rust and salt corrosion. Definitely water damage at the bottom. I can't believe it. It's been down here for years. Is that a Barracuda? Oh no. It's worse than I thought. Look at this. I've never seen anything like this. This isn't just rust, it's a living coffin. It's impossible. We can't save it.
Oh man, look at this. The gills are completely gone. Salt water just ate right through it.
Oh.
The chrome is ancient history.
All right, let's see what's under here.
Oh my God, what the?
God, this is bad. Total saltwater destruction. Completely gone. There's just no saving this. No way. Total rebuild. Every panel is severe rust. Quarter panels are rusted through. Decades of growth.
This stuff is deeply rooted.
No saving the seats.
The chassis looks perforated.
Severe perforation here, completely rusted through. Structural integrity is compromised. Welding repair will be extensive. Look at that, it's really there. Unbelievable. Barracuda, 426, it's official. You did it.
Okay, body panels, interior trim, needs everything.
Mechanical, glass, full rebuild. This is gonna be massive.
Budget calculated, scope understood, time to start.
All right, here we go. First, the hood. This rust is intense. Fenders next. Time to get this beast stripped down to the bone. All right, let's get this Barracuda ready for the blast. Whoa! Position locked. Time to suit up. All right, these look perfect. AMD quality through and through. The rebirth begins now.
All right, let's see these gaps.
Perfect, that's a show quality fit.
Adding the violet tint now.
Yep, it's starting to turn.
And the metallic, perfect.
That's it, Barracuda purple.
Matches the chip perfectly.
After months of hard work, the legendary Hemi is reborn. Look at that perfect Hemi orange, the flawless chrome. All right, here we go. Finally, it's back where it belongs. Almost there, yes. All right, perfect. Just a couple more adjustments. Now she's set. All right, let's take a look. New bucket seats, dashboard, carpet, all perfect. It's ready. All right, time to set the stance. Oh. Perfect, just perfect. I never thought we'd see this day. An impossible achievement. Legend reborn. Truly a miracle.